Take command of the road in the 2013 Honda CR-V. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Honda prioritized comfort and style by including a trip computer, heated seats, and cruise control. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Premium sound drives 7 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Honda ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. It also arrives with a Carfax history report indicating just one previous owner. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.